Hi guys, welcome back. Tớ này của gia giaอยู่nữa, trong xe tỏ chạy thua lên cho tụi tôi công cụ. Ok, chị đây bây giờ bí nó cũng có hay đâu nè, thì họ tự chỉ rong là đi chọc vào trên một xứ, giờ họ tự nữ rong là nữ trâu có chỉ có một khởi cho mình chia nữa. So today's topic is about your life purpose hay tia uli có luôn nè, có lúc họ pia, theo có cho cá cho kế nữ giờ đã chi thế nữ dùng mù li già cho con nữa, chị tận nó bây giờ bí mù. Okay, so ni sai tan thao tận mua trâu lúc bao giờ ni họ nhớ lúc từ cha thia lúc từ draw ni khỏi energy in. The first one is the pink aragonite, second is the snowflake obsidian, and then the third one is amethyst. Fourth is aura, fifth one is sandstone, and the last one is green fluorite. Chị ni sai trong mù chị bây giờ bí mù. Okay, so everybody take a deep breath with me. Okay, let's dive in. Yo ka sai lu da nona pink aragonite. Oh, beautiful cards here. So, có life purpose that I picked up here is that có giấy tu nhiệt chế là có giấy tu trong gì chế na, okay? You are more of a parenthood nhớ hậu và hậu chế là sai sure thiết là tổ lúc khóc khổ na. So you have this natural calling to teach, to help people. Mua nó mua hậu là có một khó sĩ phái. Có lúc xia nữa lo đã có giấy tu này có chỉ cái đu có kia tí này uốn neng nữa chỉ cũng feel like you could be an instructor too, okay? Someone that lead and help people build a solid foundation. So có giấy tu này is like an instructor, could be because what I'm seeing like you are the healing type. Okay, so là ý chỉ cho tu nhẹ ta chúa tu chỉ ta chúa hoặc khó nữ giấy tu này hoặc lúc say mà nung cái khó tua chỉ giấy tu này hoặc does line of healing works. Healing works not chỉ thay để counseling, a priest, pastor, could be like instructor, teacher. Okay, so someone that helps, leads, and teach, and mua đã chi là like you share knowledge, you pass knowledge to people. So wow, beautiful cards here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they got pick a deck nona. You got the BFF dashinokina, okay? Such a kind heart you have there. Now, you got cycle black obsidian, okay? What's your life purpose? Nó là cô giống gầu cơn gầu lì theo. Okay, your life purpose here. You are someone that are meant to help people, okay? Có giấy tụi ni mua công một mong rong nữa, thì chỉ có họ công có mong nó, you have to share, okay? So in order for God to continue to receive blessings, you have to reciprocate that blessings to other people na. Chỉ là hai tiền có những ô rong mà có họ có muốn những rong多些呢。chỉ còn đó nó what I feel is that you are someone that more like a self-made individual, okay, like a business type of person. So vậy tụi này very smart, gifted in many areas. And yet, tụi hay mua cho cái chân chơi either có cần tới xí hình rồi giờ thì có giấy tụi này có tổ tàu la lụa nè, có tổ tàu nhẹ tàu chia nè, chỉ có giấy tụi này mua món thì riêng ở chơi hình lợi, okay? Thì khi mà có yếu chữ tàu bù lúa, okay, là hay giờ có khởi chế đâu có lịch sử nó chỉ có yếu chỉ mua họ từ này you will not go anywhere. So it has to recycle now, okay? Còn nào là hành được có. It has to recycle có bù đồ lúa, chỉ lúa hay là bù đồ có xứ. Giờ hay tía có cái đu, rồi có những sản phẩm đầu xứ nó chỉ có một chút đầu thiết, okay? So nhon trồng nữa. Now let's go to the third one, amethyst. Okay, you have cái side amethyst, no? Okay. I feel like you have a harder time in life here. I feel you don't really know what you want to do, or you have been making a lot of bad decision here. Since that dili ko start off okay here, hokaluni ko start off okay here. Only as life progress or as life goes on, things starts to getting more difficult for you. Okay, so họ nó chỉ có yếu tố seek help no, okay, có need counseling, they have guidance. I feel right now you're very, very lost, and you will need someone to help motivate you. Okay, be with the right people, be with the right circle, that network that will help you, or else I sense that you are going to be indecisive for a very long time. Okay, I feel like cái tình hình gì là có những một tổ cái cho nhẹ nó trong ni chỉ một tổ này ba thân cả có lấy thì có chỉ một tổ cha đắc của like you don't have a backbone here. So you are going to, I feel like you are someone that is going to go through so much and will come back and share all your knowledge and wisdom. Okay, so it's almost like a counselor too. Because here I says that you make a lot of mistakes in life, and all these mistakes here is also what is valuable lessons that you can teach other people here. So có yếu tố ni lòng cái luôn này nó okay, có tố ni chỉ xét lòng cái luôn này á, okay. So I do apologize if you do pick this deck, because right now I feel like you don't have a strong life purpose or strong life sense of direction right now. So you gonna either find the right people, find the right crowd, network, or need to have a different approach and perspective in life. Now the fourth deck, if you pick this for, oh sorry, no. Oh, okay. Or you pick this one. Okay. Cô feel like cái gì tu ni cái giờ tu plau tu na, okay? More like a lawyer, a mediator, a peacemaker, a negotiator, type of that kind of deal. Có yếu tu lo chữ cho nên một tính mình nó chỉ có yếu tu cho cái tuần trên nó, okay? So now that I say it, I'm getting more of like fairness, criminal justice type of thing, like legal matters, like you have to whatever is out of balance, you have to bring it back into balance now. So because of that, you since you are someone that have a big authority, okay, authority to make decisions, you are someone that are in control. So you go into like criminal justice in the court system, that kind of things. Because why I feel here that like early on in your life you have make a lot of dumb decisions. You have experienced a great deal amount of injustice. So because of that, you want to change the system. You want to be the voice. So you want to bring justice back. Okay, so I feel you have a strong sense of justice. Okay, so yay, the fifth one, you got say red jasper sandstone. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Oh, you got say wow. I feel here you are someone that needs a lot of attention. Okay. You may even be an influencer too. Someone that needs to be, sorry. You are someone that needs to be in the center of the spotlight. But I feel like you are so disconnected from the world. And to connect with the world, you connect them through social media. So I'm getting that maybe someone that does vlog, or like social media content here. Okay, so that's what I get for you, because I'm sensing something like in the spotlight, something that like you want attention, because you don't get it from the real world. You don't get it from the real world of real life. And so, but you do get it on media. And then if you could use that and then promote that like on social media, kind of like an introvert. I'm sorry, basically you're an introvert with a lot of ideas. You need to express it online, like you find it hard to express it through people. So this could be one way to show your creativity as well. But I feel you are someone that struggles a lot with your life purpose. However, give it a try. Okay, give it a try. It doesn't hurt to try, or other options. You never know what will work for you. Now, the last one, green fluorite. If you pick this, goodness, a lot of very, very strong cards here. Oh,有個細學的我呢 OK 這個做好了到點寧咯這有落班寧少你係一個有古結個我 healing word 呢 so healing word 這你a shaman okay very strong cards a shaman a medicine man or woman a nurse a doctor for you that's why I picked here for you a nurse, CNA, so you have a mission work here, and you need to. I get that it's either you work with a group of people to deliver that mission, or to empower people. So you are to make changes in the world. So it's like you are here to create a legacy. Oh, you are a very creative person, and you are someone that have very strong intuition that you don't think you have the ability or capability to do it, but yes, you can. Okay. In times you will find yourself, and in times when you are ready, you're going to be very strong. So that you move people, you change people. So that's why I said doctors, nurses, could be a nun, priest, pastor, or even a shaman. Okay, so that kind of title that I get here. Okay, thank you for tuning in, and join me again for next time.